May baka pang medyas.
So, kaya nalipat yung capital nila sa Beijing. Before, nasa Tianjin. Ngayon, nasa Beijing. Kasi before, pinoprotect nila yung sarili nila sa mga Mongols. At yung mga Mongols, nandiyan sa kabilang side, yung mga bundok na yan. Hindi naman literally dyan sa bundok na yan. Pero, medyo malayo pa yung Mongolia. Pero yung bundok na yan, it's some sort of protection. Kasi hindi ka pwede magdala ng mga malalaking army sa tuktok ng bundok, di ba? So, nalilimit yung access ng mga kalaban. At mas predict nila. That's why linipat nila dito sa Beijing. Hello. Coffee shop.
Si Erico.
So today is our 4th day here in Beijing. Kasama ko si Sir Eric.
Hello.
Si Ma'am Nicole.
4th day.
And today is a special day kasi ngayon yung araw na pupunta na kami sa ByteDance office. So nandito kami for the first 3 days. Ang pinunta namin dito by intention, pumunta sa ByteDance office. Pero yung unang 3 araw, nagpakalat-kalat kami kung saan-saan. Which is not bad. Nakita kami na, nakakain kami masarap, nakapag-mall kami. Nakita na namin Forbidden City. Pero ngayon, again. Yan. Maganda yung weather. Actually, weather malamig. Pero kung ayaw mo mag-sweater, okay lang din. Hindi siya ganun kalamig. Hindi siya chilly. Dahil kasi hindi rin mahangin eh. Ito, may pupunta kaming Hideout Coffee.
Nasarado.
Coffee yan eh. Dapat magbukas na siya. Alam, sa gabi pa siya magbubukas.
Bar yan eh.
Use Gold. International Art.
Balay.
Hindi lang sa ano.
Ano ba yun? Ako.
Parang nagbebenta ng ano eh. Ng
Milan Gold. Gold yan. Pampakinis. Okay, wala pong mabibiling kape. Sorry.
Sarado.
Hindi, doon na lang sa yung sa lobby lang. Masarap yung kape. So today, ang sumundo sa amin, 6-seater na Benz. So hindi kami nagbubuk ng mga special na parang Uber nila dito, Grab. Ito talaga yung mga service na binibigay nila. Pag mga 6-seater, talaga mga high-end luxury vans, kuha namin most of the time. Vans yan, Bahay, palis. Ang malakasan, tingin ni Kuya.
Ito nung workout ko kanina. Ready to eat sa akin.
Maganda rin mga captain seats, Nicole. Pwede na ba tayo graduate sa commuter seating?
Tagal pa na iyaya. May matagal pa.
So papunta kami ngayon sa ByteDance HQ. ByteDance to, no? So ByteDance HQ. Imimit kami ng mga taga-Lark. Very exciting kasi yun talaga yung pinunta namin dito sa Beijing. Makita yung high-tech Beijing office sila ng ByteDance. So hindi common na makapunta ang mga tao dito sa ByteDance office. Hindi siya open for public. So talagang by invitation only. At talagang re-request namin to, in-arrange namin to sa mga large partners natin sa Singapore. Exciting. Let's go. Ang ganda ng panahon. Papunta kami sa Lark. Actually, papunta kami sa ByteDance office. ByteDance, ang parent company ng both TikTok at Lark. Lark ang ginagamit namin na project collaboration app. TikTok, obviously, everyone knows about TikTok. At ang pinaka high-end, high-tech office nila dito sa China ay nasa Beijing. At doon kami papunta specifically kasi nakakuha kami ng invitation sa kanila which they don't usually give out. which they don't usually give out. So nagawa lang namin because of our partnership arrangement sa LARC team sa Singapore. So ngayon pupunta kami doon. Kaya nakaka-excite kasi yun yung isa sa pinaka-reason na nagpunta kami sa China, yung makita talaga yung pinaka-astig nilang office dito sa China. Inisip ko pa kung isushoot ko yung, well, hindi pala pwede mag-TikTok sa loob. Pwede lang ngumanga at ma-impress, pero hindi mo pwede makita, ay hindi mo pwede i-video, hindi ka pwede mag-TikTok sa loob ng office ng TikTok. Ganun talaga. Galinas kayo, parang lahat nakalinya. Kung may isa ako na-realize dito, walang amoy na tambucho yung mga kalsada nila because of one simple reason. Sobrang ang dami na nilang EV cars, tsaka hybrid cars. Okay, dito na tayo.
Ng volume tsaka yung rate of attrition natin is faster than other companies. Tapos yung volume and yung profile din ng mga tao is sa atin kasi.
Tara. Okay, finally nakarating na kami dito sa headquarters ng ByteDance. At hindi ko alam kung nasaan kami, pero mga 20-30 minutes away to sa hotel kung saan kami galing. Pero still, it feels like a city area. Iba lang yung lugar.
Yeah, let's wait for the others. Good to house, right?
Yeah.
Libre naman yung kinuha natin eh. Wow.
Diyan tayo mag-meeting.
Hindi na tayo paakitin, dito lang tayo. Stigo.
Sabihin ka niya, open mind.
Starbucks muna tayo. Kaya lang nagkape na kami na konti. Oh, back to back. Ganda ng mga cladding nila. Inspiration. Oo nga, dali.
Yeah, okay lang yung pat.
Ganda.
Hindi yan, pagmanggaan sa...
Sige. Nandito na kami sa building. And pili lang kami. Starbucks coffee o Stiso coffee. Ano? Hintayin ko si Jinjin.
nga eh. Actually, naghahanap pa ako kasi inisip ko, parang kung may papasok tayo na magaling na consultant na mag-knowledge transfer.
Packet na kami. Pero hindi pwede mag-TikTok sa loob. So, it will be all the way from the entrance lang. Ha?
They'll find a little corner, they take out a little bed and they just slide down like really well.
Are we going in?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, please.
Okay, dito na tayo sa entrance. Oh, hello. Para ito yung metaverse sila, pero naka-project ng 3D. Where are you, Fisher?
Many of them are quite famous actually. And of course,
This one.
Naka ano siya, ang galing mo. Naka-pattern din. So parang ano siya. Galing. Nakakatawa.
look at you now, but
Simula ni tour namin.
Ano mo muna kung pwede?
Hindi, wala pa tayo sa entrance eh. So, papunta pa lang kami doon. Sinovation Ventures.
Parang sa Dubai, di ba? Naalala mo?
Wow, astig. So, andito yung meeting area namin. Hopefully, magkasya kami lahat. Laki na seating capacity. Oh. Dito na kami sa meeting HQ 01 AI office. Wala tayo sa bike. Nandito na ako. Dito pala tayo sa 01.ai HQ. Ito pala HQ ng 01 AI. Lupit na office ito. Tingnan nyo. All of a sudden, ito mo yung ano. Biglang pumuti na yun. Kasi sabihin automatic yan. Pwede nilang i-activate yan tapos magpapalit na ng tint. 01 AI pala to.
Pero kasi World Bank economy siya.
Dito kami sa office ng isang AI company. Nagkamali ako. Akala ko papunta kami ByteDance. So, dito kami galing. So, itong tint na yan, biglang nag-ganyan eh. May switch of a button. Pwedeng maging ano yan. Fully opaque. Wala kang makikita. Fully enclosed. Fully, how to say that? Fully. But anyway, yan dito kami. And sobrang ganda lang na experience. May tinitinan kami na foundational model ng AI. So lumalaban sila sa kila ChatGPT 4o. They're based here in China. And then everything's available for white label in the Philippines. Kaya very interesting. Pero ang kailangan na trabuhin pa doon, how do you fine-tune it and custom fit it for specific industries in the Philippines? Ganda ng opportunity on the AI side dito sa naging interaction namin sa company na to. Ito na. Kailangan na natin sumakay sa elevator. Okay, tapos na kami dito.
Okay, good.
And papunta na kami sa ByteDance. Yun yung main show of the day. Exciting. Jean, one day lang tayo magba-ByteDance, diba?
ByteDance na.
Oo nga, pag ginusto ba natin kunwari Thursday, pwede ulit mag-ByteDance o isang araw lang?
Kasi hindi ako pwede pumunta doon mag-isa sila Ingtong uwi na naman.
Ayun ang pala, uwian eh. Hindi, kasi nagigilty lang mamaya eh. Pumunta dito si Olivier para sa atin eh.
Huwag mo siyang anuhin kasi gusto nga nila 2 days. Gusto nila may tomorrow pa.
Sige.
Ano, so sabihin mo sa kanya.
Ikaw na magsabi.
Yan, kulay mo.
Ikaw na yung... Ikaw na yung best friend niya.
Sumipit? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, all the boys. All the boys at the back.
Be friendly.
I'll move this.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah.
I can squeeze in. There.
Up to which part? Well, just let me know if I should stop vlogging.
Yes, once we get into the office, you'll
Get into the office.
Yes.
But before getting inside, is that still allowed? Before getting inside, just outside.
Once we pass a gate.
Okay, cool.
I think that's
Fair enough.
that's going to be the official guidance.
Okay, so they memorize it, right?
Yeah.
And then one time, Gina and I...
Actually, here we have multiple. Inside of it, we can also
Yes. Outside, like before getting in,
Before getting in,
can.
yeah. But inside,
But inside, not allowed. Fair enough. But the entire thing, this entire complex is ByteDance.
There used to be a commercial center.
For the family.
I think we did logging somewhere, but I'm not sure.
So, andito na kami sa ByteDance HQ sa Beijing lang. So, meron din sila office sa Shanghai. And unfortunately, hindi pwede mag-vlog sa loob ng ByteDance office. So, hanggang dito na lang ito. This is the entire complex building. Malaki siya eh. Hanggang doon pa siya sa likuran. And ito daw yung pinaka-wow nilang office building. Sayang, hindi ko pwede i-vlog.
So even like going down there is part of ByteDance.
Should have worn my
Ito, buong complex, buong building. Yan, all the way hanggang pababa. Hanggang basement. Lahat to ByteDance. And unfortunately, hindi pwede mag-video sa loob kasi maraming top secret, confidential stuff. Magkakaroon kami ng mga workshop sessions, meeting dito. And this will be a full day. So half day na lang. Half day will be here in ByteDance. And then tomorrow magtutour na kami sa Beijing Great Wall. So far, sobrang enriching experience. Ang daming realization. Daming opportunities. Grabe. And sobrang excited ako to basically do more dito sa Beijing, China. So hanggang dito na lang. So ito na pinaka-mabavlog ko, yung itsura ng building nila. Laki yun, laki ng complex. Ayun, nakikita nyo, ByteDance. So that's ByteDance in Chinese. Tapos may construct pang building doon sa kabila. I'm not sure kung extension yun ng building dito. Tatanong ko na lang. Andito na pala sila eh. Grabe, ang laki nila.
So he needs to stop.
Wow.
So stop.
Yes.
Stop.
Stop.
Yeah.
Picture.
There's no like logo. Yeah. May picture mo, ito yung flex ko kasi.
No, wait. So we can only take pictures. Let's just take pictures. This is a... No, I'll just rename this as a three-body problem. Because look at the... But we only have like 2 circles. Have you seen that in Netflix already? Not
I
yet.
haven't seen it,
It's
no.
really good.
Yeah. So what echo is
We can take a crayon and try a third one. That's a good.
Yan.
Yo, what's up?
Kakain lang kami, yun lang.
Kuya, pag-upload mo.
Nothing much to see.
Pag-upload mo.
Ano?
Pag-uwi mo sa Pilipinas, may nakaganto.
sparkling water yan, Jonathan.
Hindi ba coffee? Okay, so lunch na. Nandito na kami sa ByteDance. So bawal ko na ito i-upload. So hindi nyo na ito makikita. At wala na rin akong kausap. Hindi nyo na ako makikita. Ano ibig sabihin nun? So nandito kami ngayon sa training meeting area. Tingnan nyo kung gano'ng ganda yung meeting room nila. Grabe screen, no? Tingnan nyo gano'ng kalaki. Grabe, pati blinds sila, high-tech.
And then pose your questions. Always a QR code. Like, take a picture. Get to the form, submit your question, or get more information. Yeah. And
Sobra astig. Jonathan, documentation.
constantly reminding.
Sabi ni Intong ng ByteDance, ng LARC, hindi sila nag-host ng ganitong klaseng preparation sa kanilang mga guests. This is the first time na naka-experience din sila. Even sila na taga-LARC na ha. Ganitong klaseng presentation and ano ba tawag dito? Ano ba tawag doon? Yung parang the way pag-accept ng visitors. First time lang din nila to. And even this meeting room, ngayon lang din sila makakapunta dito. Ibang level.
Jean, panis. Ba-vlog ako. Oh, panis ka. And then may ano pa, pa-merch. Ganda na pa-merch nila, Jean, no? Ito ang swag pack.
Oo nga eh. Hindi, malupit talaga. Kuya, malupit mag-swag ang ByteDance. As in, hindi ko alam kung saan nila sinosource. Basta malulupit swag yung mga yan.
Ito yung blinds nila. Ito yung blinds nila. Ano yan? Bakal. Bakal. Ito mo.
Malupit talaga magpa-swag. Hindi ko kahit magulo yung bakal. Ang lulupit ng kanila. As in, very nice.
Diba? Aluminum.
Very space.
Aluminum.
Parang UN.
Ito mo yung ano, LED lighting nila. So hiwalay pa yung ceiling design nila dito sa meeting table para magkaroon siya ng ano, ng cove lighting effect. Sa isang mapapalaban tayo dito. So very rare na pinapayagan kami mag-take ng videos, mag-vlog kasi marami area dito na confidential areas. Pero itong area na to, itong meeting area, tignan nyo gano'ng kalupit. Pinayagan kami na mag-take ng vlog. Tapos meron pa yung swag pack, meeting table. Grabing documentation na to para makapture natin lahat na nangyari.
Ang pangalan ko.
Wait. Oh. Dito eh. Bang! Dito tayo. ByteDance conference room. Isa sa pinakamaganda nilang conference rooms. ByteDance HQ sa Beijing, tas ByteDance conference room. Tignan nyo naman kung gaano yung up to what level yung detail na ginagawa nila sa mga visitors sa guests nila. By the way, hindi common na nag-entertain sila ng ganitong klaseng accommodation sa mga guests nila. Tayo lang daw. Kami lang yung accommodate nila ng ganitong level na makapasok sa ByteDance HQ dito sa Beijing. Kaya sobrang honored kami. Tsaka grateful. Wait. Pak. Ako muna.
Yeah, you can choose different
Vincent ah.
Future career.
Okay, so attractive. Have a board in front of you, so you can bold words on it.
Go.
Vincent, hi dear.
Vincent, go. Hi dear.
Hi dear, welcome to our live show. We'll introduce some new airports from Beijing.
Okay.
Today we stay tuned. First, let me show you the peaches of
This is your purchase.
the peaches from Beijing.
Yeah.
Well known for its juiciness. You want to try the peaches in Beijing? Don't miss it today, and I'll give you a discount. Buy 1, 2, and get 1 free.
Yeah, thank you.
Yay!
Okay.
Ang presentation session. Finally, natapos na kami sa isang mahabang workshop session, tsaka Q&A, and open forum discussion dito sa LARC. Kanina sabi nila nahiya bawal mag-vlog, pero dahil inaalaw na nila mag-video, wala na. Tsaka wala naman logo eh. So medyo sensitive sila sa pag-flash ng logo nila sa mga areas na pwedeng tiniklop mo na? Pero saan yung akin? Saan yung akin? Pati akin?
Laman lang. Yung paper bag.
Yung akin nga.
Oo nga, pero paper bag di ko na dinala.
Okay. So, yun na. This is the entire group. High-tech group tsaka SP Madrid. High-tech, mga halos 2,000 across Southeast Asia na sila mga developers ng Android tsaka mobile. iOS. Yan yung team nila. Ito yung globe. Yan si Olivier. High-tech group. SP Madrid. And sobrang fruitful yung mga discussions. Ang ganda ng mga collaborations, mga insights na binigay din namin. Tapos nakakatuwa rin na sinare nila yung company culture nila sa amin.
So overall, sobrang sulit yung biyahe na pagpunta pa namin dito sa Beijing. At yung buong experience na marinig, ma-feel yung buong kultura ng Lark, ByteDance, TikTok. Ang daming ideas na papasok sa utak at ang dami kong gusto gawin after ng trip dito sa Beijing. Sobrang exciting. So, tapos na tayo. Okay, tapos na kami. Nakalabas na ako, so pwede na ako mag-video. Jonathan, nakalabas na ako. Wala na ako dito sa ano eh. Okay, so realization.
Well, several things, especially for Lark, kasi most of the discussions is about Lark-based functionality, features, and everything. Na-realize ko na familiar ako, si Julius, tayo sa mga features. But I believe we can do a lot, we can do better kapag everyone is familiar with it.
Bumababa ni planeta. Saan?
Oo, ano? Nawa mo?
Bumababa ni planeta.
Bawal. Na-realize ko din na bawal mag-video.
Pinapaalis. Hindi, sinasabi umalisan daw. Oh, mabilis lang, realization.
Ayun, realization ko dun sa presentation ng Lark and ByteDance kanina. Yun, maraming mga features silang dinadagdag sa atin. Tapos, pero ang main goal talaga nila ay optimize yung flow, not based on the user request, pero paano ma-optimize yung based on their culture. So, yun, sabi sir kanina during the presentation, nagbe-base sila kung paano mag-fit in dun sa culture para ma-optimize pa yung process ng mga employees.
Galing ha. Dami natutunan ni Julius. Mag-video pa tayo doon. Yan o. So ngayon may second group na. Na nasa loob at magkakaroon na ng tour. So naka-schedule yan. Ang daming companies na nagpupunta dito para lang sa schedule tour nila for like, yun nga, ByteDance tour. Sorry. Saan? Okay, documentation. Very quick lang. Realization.
Nakaka-inspire siya. I want to be more. I want to do more. Let's go!
Ganda ng ulap ngayon, no? Blue skies. So, for the previous days, medyo makulimlim pero ngayon ang ganda. Ang ganda ng maliwanag.
Be in the same time nagre-request.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. It's gonna continue sa warehouse para makaroon ng warehouse natin. In-offer ko naman yung PITX pero mas gusto niya makita yung warehouse. Pero ang gagawin ko, sabi ko sabihin,
First time to see blue skies.
Because it was gray yesterday, right?
Gray, since Sunday, gray.
Oh, really?
And finally, nakakuha ko ng logo na nandito talaga ako sa ByteDance. Ayun o. Okay. Mag-b-roll tayo ng mga konti pa ng office ng building. Kasi sayang nandito na tayo eh. Okay, so that's it, pansit. Magdi-dinner na kami. And then tomorrow, I think free time na kami. Para makaikot naman sa Great Wall of China. Pero ibang-iba na mundo dito. Hindi mo siya pwede isipin from a stereotypical point of view ng kung paano mo biniview ang China. Kailangan makapunta ka talaga dito. Kasi iba talaga yung on-the-ground collaboration. Ibang-iba yung nakikita mo sa media. Iba rin yung mga tao na nakikita mo sa Philippines. At iba rin yung mga tao na nami-meet mo dito for tech and business collaboration. And hindi mo pwede assume na kung ano yung single opinion mo tsaka point of view mo sa kanila in the Philippines. Yun din yung application dito. Magkaiba. At hindi mo mafe-feel na nasa China ka eh. Mafe-feel mo lang na nasa isang advanced country ka. Yun lang yung ultimate feeling dito. together, right? That's the...
Ayun na.
Let's go.
Okay. Bye-bye. See you in the Philippines.
Okay, tapos na kami dito sa ByteDance. Time to move to the next destination. Dinner time. Even though mataas pang araw, magdi-dinner na kami para maaga kami matapos at marami kami magawa. Hopefully makapag-sauna, spa, gym pa mamaya sa hotel.
Show them. But it's call the driver.
Extensions, like for these, some of these tools, or like the Bloomberg heading that you talked about. Has a part. We have another ecosystem called Blockly, right?
哎，师傅你在哪儿啊？
We identify these critical processes, right? And we use the Lark integration platform for data calling workflow. I mean, we facilitate the implementation, right? So they still can pull data from those open source websites.
Wow, what's the name? What's the name of the restaurant? In English.
Yeah.
In English, what's the name?
4th generation in it's like all in one place, right? Like 4 gens.
Wow. So sikat na sikat tong ano na to. Restaurant dito. Must try. Must visit na. What's the type of cuisine?
I think it's Beijing.
Pekingese.
And then they're known for Peking ducks. Andito na sila Jonathan ata.
你好。
横生好上3楼。
好的，对，等一下，你们这个门口哪里有？
中国中是那个看见的最高的那个。
Wait, which one? Ito na pa, highest building, which one?
Oh, this one.
Oh, there you go. Yung pala yung highest building, oh.
Yeah, this one.
What's the name of the building?
中国尊
In English?
Just called 中国尊，那就叫。
Like Zhongguo is just China, but I guess it's more like describing like the shape of this thing, right?
Okay.
Or like the statue of China. Yeah.
Chongguo
尊
Yeah.
Chun.
中国尊
Chun. Chongguo Chun. Very nice.
Right, let's go.
三你好，包间的，然后3层。
进5进的是吧？横生好。
好的，is okay。好的 ，OK。
Restaurant smells good. Para siyang may pine tree, no? Galing, oh. Ibang-iba yung experience. Para siyang ano, para kang nag-step into a 100 or 1,000-year-old restaurant dito sa China, sa Beijing, China. Very elegant.
Very old.
They roast the duck over there.
How old is the restaurant? You know?
这个多久了？这个酒店，这饭店多久？
很老了。
Or they just rebuild everything?
Very old.
Is this really legitimately old, or they just recreated everything?
I believe these are done by interior designers.
Wow, really big.
We're the first ones here.
They're not yet here?
Wow，不是给大家介绍一下。好，咱今天几位啊？我们今天应该只能来11个，但是确实订多了。我跟那个 对接就是我跟打电话说了，
行，那待会儿给他调下餐具。
好，
现在点菜吗？
对我下去。
So what?
Yeah, so we can just see. Yeah, we have
Just
more.
take the seat.
We only have like 12 today. Yeah.
Don't worry, I won't bother you with my question anymore.
It's okay. I can. This is called saliva chicken. Okay. Saliva chicken, right?
Saliva chicken.
Saliva chicken, like your saliva, right? Saliva
Oh my
chicken,
gosh.
right? Very tasty. I believe it originates from Sichuan actually for this dish, right? For people who can't take spicy, try to avoid this. But I believe
I got one now.
spiciness is just mild, right? Do expect a little bit of spicy and numbness, you know.
Numbness.
Yeah.
Is that why
It has a Sichuan peppercorn. Yes, peppercorn, which give you that numbing sensation.
Okay.
What? I'm curious why it's called red light.
Oh, that's a very good question. Like, you should try it first then. Okay.
No, sorry.
Try. Squirrel fish.
Which university?
And Leslie here is from Hong Kong University.
Yeah.
That's where she got her master's in statistics, right?
So finally, tapos na kami kumain. Ito yung tsura namin.
We have no visibility on whether that we have landed there.
He was born in Guangzhou.
Nagkakuntuhan na lang kami dito. And this is basically the last night together with the Lark group. Tomorrow kami na lang magtutour and then Friday uwi na kami. So nakakatuwa naman kasi right now medyo close na kami kasi we've been spending the last 2 days together, eating so many meals. Tsaka wala lang, mababait lang sila. Kaya na-enjoy namin yung bonding sa Lark team. Simon, Ingtong, Olivier, tsaka si Leslie.
Yeah.
Ito na, merong Beijing Opera. Kasama dito sa restaurant.
This is a team photo. Photo.
I was so upset that we couldn't show.
Oh, you weren't allowed to?
No, just earlier on at the exhibition. They didn't even.
Oh, finally,
the
we can.
heart
We
emojis,
got to use this.
Yeah, I'll keep this one. Like this one.
Yeah, my favorite one. Ito yung ano.
Okay, so
To stand though.
finally natapos na rin kami with the entire thing. Supposed to be standing up. Okay, okay. Social media. No worries.
I'll come down.
Go. Stop.
We're not sitting on the couch.
Too low.
We can't fit. So finally we're done with everyone.
Your love story.
Keep us updated. Please email us.
No. There's a subscription. Stigo. So parang art wall nila. Chinese cultural art wall. Stig talaga to restaurant to. Tingnan nyo yan. Mga old signages sila. Mga around 300 years old na tong ano na to. Itong establishment na to, itong restaurant na to. Ang pangalan nga niya, 4 generations. So around 300 years na.
Tapos nung nag-SGD sila, Sir Eric, pumasok.
So at least sasabihin tayo.
Bye. Thank you so much for going, Eric. Thank you. Ian, thank you.
Definitely enjoyed everything.
Good. I'm glad you did. I'm sure you're going to enjoy tomorrow as well.
Regards to your wife.
Hey, Simon.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Take care. Thank you.
See you soon.
Next time, the new office.
Yes,
You should.
we're attached now. We're attached.
I hope
We're attached to your story.
Okay. Ollie. You too. Yes, fighting. Fighting. So next time we meet, you're the one who's going to tell me the story, right? Yeah.
So much pressure.
You guys
Yeah, there's so much pressure. Something must happen, okay?
So ito na yung last part ng aming buong Lark immersion trip from TikTok ByteDance. Tsaka Lark. Ito na yung Lark team. Then sobrang hospitable nila. Sobrang naalagaan kami for the last 2 days. Actually, since we got here, even though wala pa sila, pero sila yung gumawa ng arrangement to pick us up in the airport. And then all the other parts of the trip na tumulong sila i-arrange. And right now, ito na yung maghiwa-hiwalay kami. So bittersweet kasi parang nag-bonding kami. Well, at the same time din, magkikita-kita pa kami sa Singapore kasi most of them are based in Singapore. And I think we'll be seeing a lot of them sa Singapore and maybe in the next conference that would happen here in Shanghai. Yun lang. Sobrang saya, and then tomorrow na mag-Great Wall of China na kami. Yeah. Simon, it's been great.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a safe trip. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ollie, bye.
Thank you so much. Bye.
We'll see you again.
Behind.
Finally, we can fit. Oh no, not. Di pala. Wala pa siya.
Yeah. Nasa yung mga loot bags. Bike nila yun.
Try.
Yes, gano'n tayo. Bye! Oh, bye! Sige na yun. Grabe niya na yung...
Tingnan mo itong building na to. Ito yung building sa right. Nicole, ito yung building sa right.
So bukas tambay tayo dyan kasi after makakabalik tayo alas 4.
Ito?
Tambay tayo sa isang mall.
Yung isang araw. Ang daming magandang vibe na
Vibe. Ano? Asan yung tallest building? Wala akong lito. Ito yan. Umuwi na nga eh.
Dali.
Pagpagulo
Okay,
ka.
maingay.
Itis lang yan.
Dali. Ito naman skyline.
Kapatid ni Simon.
Not necessarily the skyline, pero yung set of lights ng mga buildings ito.
Hindi pa BR pero hindi pa na nakuha
Parang diamante oh. Pero kung makita mo rin yung Dubai, nakipaglabanan eh.
Ganda niya, no?
Dami nilang kuryente.
Oh. Lakas ng ilaw sa
Ito pa,
ilalim mo. Umaabot dun sa
lupit
taas.
nito.
Sa mall? Parang office. Grabe ilaw oh. Umaabot dun sa taas. Ang lakas. Parang siyang ano, parang yung sa Dubai. Yung the frame. Yung the frame oh. Mas maganda dito. Parang ayoko na rin mag-Shanghai. Parang
gawing interview nyo.
hindi na. Kasi tsura niya sobrang tahimik. Eh, nung papunta kami doon sa restaurant, katabi namin si Simon, tapos nasa harapan siya.
Okay na. Excited pa kami mag ano eh. Sauna spa nila Vincent. Okay na, wala na.
Is compared to sa competitor.
Ayun sa love story ni ano.
Sa love story ni.
Ikaw, anong natutunan mo?
Kailangan ko ng junior mo. At may kailangan ko ayusin
Anong junior ko?
Dami ko lang ayusin.
Dapat may
i-hire ka na daw niya. I-hire ka. Si Bella i-hire daw niya. Junior mo eh.
Kailangan ko lang ayusin.